My name is Trishina, and this is my Black History Month poem. If the fist is a symbol for black, I'ma put my hands high in the air, even if no one cares, for my skin tone is rare, and as pure blood pumps through my veins, my skin mixed with so many different brown tones, I'm dipped in chocolate from my head to my toe, and through my mouth I speak my ancestors' souls. Some say the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Well, that must means I'm sweeter than sugar, since I'm darker than molasses. No longer do we have to cover our faces with the blackness. No longer do we have to hide behind the mask to be heard by the masses. And this right here is something to be proud of, never to be in doubt of. Little kids should be taught to scream this pride louder. The nose that came before us, for the opportunities there for us to be free. But still, through shallow eyes I see those purposely having kids from another race, so the child won't be a darkie. But have we not been around long enough to understand that this blackness equals greatness? And if we continue to dilute this, like the ocean we pollute this, like the effects of global warming, those ice caps will melt. And thus pure bloods like polar bears will become an endangered species. I'm a full-blooded sister, not a drip or a drop or nothing. From my hair like wool to my wide nose and big lips. And my stance, I stand tall, but they can't get enough of our sensual curves and big hips. Direct descendants, no need to track or trace shit. And I was bred from kings and queens, royalty the whole bit. That's why I don't understand why more of us don't embrace it. Seems we just disgrace it. Maybe the world would be better off if we erased it? Hell no, this blackness is mine, and I wear it with pride. So say it loud if you black and you proud. Say it loud if you brown and you down. Pound for pound, this country was built on my ancestors' blood, sweat, and tears. And I'm standing here fighting the fight they fought for 300 plus years. And I'm no racist. This poem ain't even about hatred. This is me having pride for the skin that I was draped with. Respect for the stories of how my ancestors made it. And because I know in my heart, we are destined for greatness. So take this poem as a word to the wise. Stop the black on black hatred, all that black on black crime. Then remember that united, our race is divine. Thank you.